C in 100 seconds. Switch statement. Create switch. Circa day of the week. Day is 3. Which day is that? Switch on day. Match the value against cases. Case 1. Monday. Break exits the switch. Case 2. Tuesday. Without break, execution falls through. Case 3. Wednesday. This is the one that matches. Default catches everything else, like else in an if chain. Close the switch. Cleaner than 5 else-ifs. Save. Compile. Run. Wednesday. Day 3 matched case 3. Break stopped it there. Next, while loops.